Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pump gas at Sam's Club using your member card or the app. So when you get to the gas station, you will have the two options. First is to pay with your Sam's Club membership card, and second is to use Sam's Club app to scan a QR code and pay. So first let me show you how to pay with your membership card. So first thing you need to do is insert your Sam's Club membership card into pump and wait for few seconds, and when the instruction appear, simply insert your payment card, and after a brief wait the system will authorize your payment, and next enter your zip code, and once that's done remove your payment card, and now you are ready to start refueling your vehicle. Now let me tell you how to pay with your app. So to pay through the app, open Sam's Club app and then tap on scan button. Next, scan the QR code on the pump, select your payment method in the app and authorize the payment. And that's it, you can begin refueling your vehicle. And that's how easy to pump gas at Sam's Club. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching.